Welcome to JH. Today, we're covering how to modify a shared document within Google Drive. Whether you are working on a team project or just need to update a file, Google Drive provides a smooth and effective way to do so. Let's get started. Begin by heading to the Google Drive homepage. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you aren't logged in, enter your credentials, ensuring you use the specific account that has permission to access the shared file. Once you have accessed your account, you will see your main dashboard containing all your folders. Look at the sidebar on the left and select the Shared with Me category. This area stores every file others have sent to you, keeping them organized and separate from your own private documents. Inside this section, browse the list to locate the file you need. If the list is long, use the search box at the top to find it quickly. When you find the document, right-click it to open the Options menu. Move your mouse over Open With, and then choose Google Docs from the list. Your document will now open in the editor. This platform is excellent for teamwork because it records your edits instantly and shows you who else is currently active on the page. Remember that any updates you make are immediately visible to everyone with access. When finished, you can just close the browser tab. Google Docs saves your progress automatically, so your work is always secure. If the screen doesn't seem to update, simply refresh your browser. That is the easiest way to manage shared files in Google Drive. This process makes collaboration simple and fast. Thanks for watching this guide. If it helped, please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you next time.